Optics University. Step 5. Zoom. To calculate the magnification, you can multiply the power of the objective by the magnification of the eyepiece to get the total magnification. If we want to continue zooming, we're going to rotate the objective towards the next power. So we're at 10 power now. You only need to refocus a little bit to get in focus at each power. You want to make sure you don't overfocus and crash into the slide when you get to the top one. The maximum is usually 100 power, and it can be an oil immersion objective. What that means is you need a special oil to put down on the slide to be able for this to work properly. You can also get to a higher magnification by switching up the eyepieces. This one comes with 16 power, and that will get you up to a maximum of 1600 power.